Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I create this Eastern spring look, keep watching. Since I'm using bright colors, I'm going to use that Revolution cut crease, and this is deep white. I know this is meant for cut crease, but I'm still gonna use it. I'm using bright colors and I won't use that much anyway, so I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it. I'm going to use the NYX palette and I'm going to start with this. So I'm going to start with the yellow and I'm going to place it on the front of my crease. For my next shade, I'm going to use this orange pinkish and I'm going to put this one on the center and kind of blend it out with the yellow one. Our last shade we're going to use is this violet, and this one I'm gonna place it on the outer corner and blend it out with the orange. For my inner corner, I'm going to use this highlighter, and this is from Tarte. And lastly, I'm going to underline my eyes, and I'm using the NYX ink pen and the Dose graphic pen. And start the line. For mascara, I'm going to use this Mile High Club. For my lips, I'm going to use this Dose red crayon. And I'm just going to tap it around. And I'm going to use this Hoola Bronze from Benefit. For a blush, I'm going to use this from NARS. And this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up.